Sup? Today we'll be checking out the Bose Stone. The packaging of the product is quite nice, with a hard corrugated box in which it's going to keep the speaker safe. The price of the speaker is very decent, only Rs 1200 on Amazon after discount. Its original price, which is written on the back of the box, is Rs 3000, which I don't think it's worth that much money. The things which are included in this box is speaker itself, USB Type-C charger, aux cable, warranty for 1 year, instruction manual, Alright, so the specs of Bose Stone 200. This is like one of the amazing speakers I have ever tested out. The bass is no doubt amazing, and it can go extremely loud. That makes this a little beast. And it has a battery capacity of 1500 mAh with a charging time of 1.5 to 2 hours and up to 10 hours of battery life, which is like more than enough for a party, hiking, etc. It is also shockproof, resistant from dust, waterproof and splash resistant. So you're good to go for pool parties, or I don't know, you listening to music while it rains. Oh damn, that's sad. The speaker has a 10-meter range of Bluetooth 4.1 and can be connected with all devices. Also, it comes with an aux connectivity option for the old devices which do not have Bluetooth. And one of the weirdest feature that I find on this speaker is a screw holder, which, to be honest, I don't even know what's the main purpose of that is. It might be for hooking to a dedicated holder for your TV. But nah, this is just a portable speaker, not a whole entertainment system. And it can fit in your average tripod. Talking about the design, it has a really rugged look to it, and it comes with 3 colors: black, blue and orange. The black plastic base is covered with colored matte finish running along its border to protect it from accidental damages, and yeah, it has helped me a lot. On the speakers, it has 4 input buttons, one for power, one for volume decrease, one for play or pause, then volume increase. The micro USB and aux slots are hidden underneath with protective rubber cover for, to protect it from water damage, and it looks pretty nice like this. The sounds that it makes when you turn on the speaker is dope, but I just hate the sound which it makes when it gets connected to your phone via Bluetooth. That sounds like Twitch donation sound. I mean, it could have been done much better. Alright, this wraps up this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions regarding the product, comment down below. Until next time, peace.